Hey everybody, and welcome to my Sunshine channel. This is Brandy. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm working on my creative journal spread for the 27th through the 3rd, and I am using two different digital download kits that I purchased from Grand Plans on Etsy. The owner's name is Fran, and I absolutely adore her kits. I have lots and lots of them. um, so I got these two. She had a Black Friday sale, like most places had Black Friday and small shops Saturday and all the sales. And I've had these in my cart for a while and was just waiting for this weekend to get them. And so, what I love about these stickers is because it's a digital download, I can now print it as many times as I want. I can print whatever pages I want, whatever I need. If I don't want all of the pages for the whole kit, I can just print the ones I need. So anyway, I've really kind of fallen in love with the digital downloads. One of these days, I'm going to try and figure out how to make some of my own, but that's for another day. But anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm using a fall kit. It's called Fall Finale was the name of it, which I thought was kind of appropriate since, I mean, technically we're still in fall, but I'm one of those crazy Christmas people where, I'm already listening to Christmas music, and as far as I'm concerned, December 1st Christmas starts. So anyway, I'm using a kit that's called Fall Finale for the end of November. And then starting December 1st, I am using a kit and it's called Christmas Movies Marathon, I believe is what the name of it is, which I thought was really cute. There's some screenshots of some pretty famous movies in the kit, some pretty famous Christmas movies, um, most of which at this point I've already watched once. Um, so anyway, yeah, that's my craziness. I've already started with the Christmas and the decorations and all that kind of good stuff. But anyway, um, so in this kit, I'm the fall finale kit. I am loving the colors. These colors, oh my gosh, are just gorgeous. And the images print out so beautifully. And these kits just work so wonderfully with my Cricut. I mean, it's just set up perfectly. So anyway, um, really nice fall tones, the browns and the dark oranges and that dark red, just so pretty, so pretty. Um, so I'm using those for the last days of November and decided to go with most of the decorative stickers at the bottom. Now, one thing I do want to say is both of these kits that I purchased are sized for an Erin Condren. Now, the width is the same. The width of the columns in an Erin Condren and a Classic Happy Planner are the same. However, it's the column itself, the vertical column itself, is divided up differently. So the decorative pictures at the bottom don't fill up the whole box, which I'm okay with because I just add the boxes above it. It's no big deal. So that's why I had to kind of trim off some of the top header when I put the header on the top because, like I said, it's sized for, the bigger one is sized for the Erin Condren and not the Happy Planner. However, Fran has added a lot of new kits sized for the Classic Happy Planner. So the boxes would fill up the whole box if you didn't want to have to add something to it. So anyway, that's a really good thing that she's done lately that I've noticed when I was shopping this weekend. So I'm adding now some of the Christmas elements to the first, second, and third, trying to keep with my pattern that I had started. I've really discovered that in my creative journal, I like keeping to a specific pattern, a specific idea of what I want to do. When I try and get too out of the box or too crazy with it, my brain does not like it. So sticking with the pattern, sticking with the design, the design elements all at the bottom, or the images all at the bottom, just really helps me focus and think. I don't know, it's just the way my brain works. So um, lots of different things in these kits, the small elements, the elements that you can add for bills and stuff like that if you need to. Lots and lots of boxes, lots and lots of different size boxes that you can use anywhere. So yeah, I love these kits. I can just print out a page of just those boxes if that's what I want. That's another reason why I love the digital downloads. So anyway, um, I always use the sidebar for my gratitude. And so here in just a second, I'll get my gratitude stickers that I have from Planner Kate. I've been using those for quite a while, and I still have a lot left, thank goodness. So here's the final result with my fall stickers and patterns for the last days of November, and then my Christmas starting December 1st. And there's the gratitude stickers that I got from Planner Kate. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I'm almost to 250 subscribers, which is kind of a goal maybe by the end of this year. So thanks so much for being here. I really hope you like the spread, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.